This is Steve from the Celtic Farm again with another gardening guide. Today, let's dive into the vibrant world of geraniums, a garden favorite known for their colorful blooms. Whether you're decking out your balcony or enriching your garden beds, geraniums bring color and life wherever they grow. From the bold and bushy zonal geraniums to the elegant ivy geraniums that cascade beautifully in hanging baskets, each variety offers its own charm. The world of geraniums is a vibrant spectrum of colors, sizes, and fragrances. Regal geraniums, known for their large, showy blooms, are a feast for the eyes, while the smaller, delicate flowers of angel geraniums add a subtle touch of beauty. If you're a fan of variegated foliage, then the fancy leaf geraniums are your go-to, with their striking leaves creating a stunning backdrop for their bright flowers. And for those who love a dash of old world charm, the antique geraniums with their vintage hues are an absolute delight. Not to forget the aromatic scented geraniums, which are as pleasing to the nose as they are to the eyes. Geraniums thrive in full sun to partial shade and prefer well-draining soil. These vibrant blooms are quite flexible, making them a great choice for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. They appreciate a good drink, but not soggy feet, so ensure that your watering routine allows the soil to dry out between sessions. Consider enriching your soil with organic matter for that extra boost. Remember, a healthy start is key to a flourishing plant. Planting is best done in spring, ensuring they have ample space to flourish. Caring for geraniums is straightforward. These hardy plants don't ask for much. They need a good drink of water, but wait until the soil is dry to the touch before you quench their thirst. To maintain their vibrant colors, feed them with an all-purpose fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. And don't forget about deadheading. By removing the spent blooms, you encourage the plant to produce more flowers. Regular watering, occasional fertilizing, and removing spent blooms will keep your plants healthy and vibrant. Besides their beauty, geraniums are excellent for attracting bees and butterflies. These vibrant blossoms are nature's very own pollinator magnets, encouraging a healthy ecosystem in your green spaces. But the benefits don't stop there. Geraniums are also known for their versatility in landscape designs. With their wide color palette and variety in form, they can be used to add depth to flower borders or to brighten up containers. And as standalone features, they are sure to make a statement. They're also versatile, perfect for containers, borders, and as standalone features in any garden. While generally robust, geraniums can occasionally face issues like budworms or fungal diseases. The budworms are pesky little caterpillars that feast on geranium flowers, while fungal diseases can be due to overwatering or high humidity. But don't worry, with the right treatment and care, these problems can be easily solved. Timely interventions can help manage these effectively. Geraniums are truly a gardener's delight, offering a spectacular display with minimal fuss. Their vibrant hues and varied forms add charm to any green space. Easy to grow and maintain, these radiant blossoms are a testament to the joys of gardening. Embrace these colorful companions and watch your garden transform. Thank you for watching our geranium gardening guide. Embrace the vibrant world of geraniums and let your garden be a riot of color. For more nuggets of gardening knowledge, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more gardening wisdom.